So this is just that simple thing that we should be doing every day, just making sure that the panels are wiped down. As you can see in these panels, some dust has creeped in and is reflecting the sunlight back out, so it's not heating efficiently. But the first thing is to get that dust off the top. Later on this week, we should unscrew these, open this up, and then clean off the dust that's inside, and then even repaint the parts here that have gotten faded, because we're losing a lot of heat. It looks like almost a third of the panel, if you look at the white spots there, is reflecting light rather than absorbing light. And so that's why this is not producing hot showers to the satisfaction of the family during the winter. It's a maintenance issue. If I was designing these solar panels, I would make them easier to repaint and to clean. A lot of the manufacturers don't do that here and around the world. They make sealed panels that they hope stay sealed, and then little openings will happen like here or here over time, and that separation will allow dust to get in. And as long as dust is getting in, then you're losing the potential of the solar panel after a few years. And also they do need to be repainted, because over time the ultraviolet radiation that does get through the glass will cause the paint to fade. As you can see, the fading up here and down here, and so it's not really giving you full capacity. So yeah, we'll hope to rectify that. But that simple act of coming up every day and just cleaning off the panel is critical, and that'll help to make nice hot showers. All right, thanks a lot. Well, I just want to show you, if you don't mind, solar is certainly found all over the neighborhood, on that roof there, and you see it on that roof over there, and you see it on that roof over there, and that roof over there. Solar is everywhere. So it's just a matter of spreading the word. You can see that when you look at the other panels that they also have dust on them. You see there, you can see the dust on that one, that whitening. Over there you see the, where is it there? You see the same thing. You see the fact that they're not completely black after a few years. So that's the trick, dusting them off all the time.